Hey, what's up? It's Aaron, and today I'm going to tell you the physical therapy marketing secrets that I've learned over the years and the #1 secrets and strategies that I've found using Russel Brunson's .com expert secrets, and we're going to do an unboxing of traffic secrets today. So look, if you don't know me, my name's Aaron LeBauer. I'm a physical therapist. I am the owner of LeBauer Physical Therapy here, and I've been in private practice as a physical therapist for over 20 years. I started as a massage therapy business and then created a physical therapy business when I went to PT school. I've never worked for someone else. I've always been in business for myself as a physical therapist. And I also coach physical therapy business owners to create successful out-of-network cash-based physical therapy businesses. So before we get into the video, what I want you to do is be sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and be sure you catch all of our videos because we do a lot of videos on marketing strategies, growth, automation, etc. Today, I want to do an unboxing of the Traffic Secrets, like black box bundle that I got. And I'm going to tell you why I got it. I don't know what's in it yet, but about 8 years ago, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, I got Russel Brunson's .com secrets book. And as you can see, it's well worn. I've read through it multiple times. Notes everywhere. Because I've gone through and I've used this for both my physical therapy business and my physical therapy coaching business. And then a few years later, Expert Secrets came out. And you can see there's even more notes in the margin, more pages that I've marked, because this goes through sales strategies, webinars, etc. Looking back at .com secrets, this book, just this book, has easily made me hundreds of thousands of dollars. I don't know if I can actually put a number on it, because there's some strategies and tips in here, especially using like emails that Russell says, do this, and I did it, and it made me $100,000, if not more, on Evergreen, which is pretty dope. So I've used this, I've recommended this to dozens of people, and after a few years, I was like, well, you know what, I didn't start with ClickFunnels, but I'm going to move over to ClickFunnels because it's better and it's more versatile for me than something like Lead Pages was, because I could do my landing pages and membership websites. Because now what we've done is we've built some membership websites to give away for both marketing physical therapy as well as for taking care of your body. And we use ClickFunnels for that, and the landing pages, they're the best we've used. And, well, there's so much great information in this book that I was like, well, I just feel compelled to use his service and product. So we use ClickFunnels. Well, Expert Secrets came out. Expert Secrets isn't just strategy. It was more like, here's how to build your tribe. Here's how to build your following. Here's how to really understand your patients and understand your market and your audience, not your patients, your customers. So I've gone through, and like I said, this is super well worn. And I've done this for both of my businesses, and I've gone back through again, and I've worked through both of these books. I can't believe actually Expert Secrets is more well-worn than .com Secrets. Look at all this. And I said, well, let me do this for both of my businesses. A marketing course, a sales course I outlined in here, a basics on physical therapy business 101, a summit. We just did PT BizCon, and I had started with my ideas here in this book years ago, schedules, and then stories. So this is all about what's the hero story, the journey, the examples you're using, etc. So these were both really great and have both added tons to my business. So if you don't have these, put them on your list. But next what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you Traffic Secrets. I wanted to go through and see what else was Russell offering, because I offer quite a few different things, and he uses funnels and upsells and downsells, etc. So I went through and got all of those. But I also got these two books again, because they're now in hard copy. So we're going to show you what's in here. So I got the new book, Traffic Secrets. It's bound to be, if it's half as good as either of these, it's worth the $9.99. That's free shipping. So let me just get in here. All right. Ooh, look at this. There's a bonus in here. All right. So here's it's a white box that comes to your house. And there's there's .com Secrets, Expert Secrets, then Traffic Secrets, and now Unlock the Secrets. I don't know what it is. It's an extra book. Okay, that's empty. So it's the Secrets trilogy. And by the way, if you're interested in getting this, I'm going to put a link in the description below. You can go to aaronlebauer.com/traffic. You can go get the Traffic Secrets book for free plus shipping. I know we do a free plus shipping as well. It costs me more to print and ship the book to you than it does for you to pay for the shipping, so it's well worth it, just that one book. And as I said, getting Expert Secrets and .com Secrets along with it is going to be worth it, because if you do what he tells you in there, you're going to make a huge return on your investment. So, got the plastic here. I'm just going to open this guy up, see what's in here. I always love unboxing these things. I actually got it a few days ago, but it was the weekend, and so I wanted to come in and do this video brand new. So I don't know if you know, but this is a custom box in a box. .com Secrets, the framework, Expert Secrets, the fire, Traffic Secrets, the fuel, and Unlock the Secrets, your playbook. So I don't even know what that was. I think it's bonus that I wasn't even expecting. So let's pull these out. That's empty. And I'll tell you what he throws in here. All right, these are always cool to see. So this is, get a free copy of the new Marketing Secrets app. So he's got an app. So this is the One Funnel Away Challenge promo. Then we've got Unlock the Secrets Trilogy and get the Unlock the Secrets workbook for free. Basically, it's just promoting this. So I guess you can give this to a friend. Get all your sales letters and scripts. So Funnel Scripts is promoting Funnel Scripts. I use Funnel Scripts as well. Funnel Scripts is awesome. It's great for driving ideas, headlines, even scripting out the first few emails in a sequence. And then free offer to test drive ClickFunnels in here. And the Secrets Trilogy Quick Start Guide. So he explains his 3 books. All right, so let's take a peek. .com Secrets, as I said. So I can't put this in my pocket anymore, but I know he's updated the intro and some of the pieces in here, so I'm going to go back through and check this out. Talks about funnel stacking, which I don't think is in this book. So one of the things that this has really done for me is the webinars. I use Russel's webinars, like outline in my webinars. It's been pretty amazing. So yeah, this is definitely new. Funnel stacking is new, so that's pretty awesome. So it's cool. It's also hardbound. And then Expert Secrets. It's cool to have like a hardbound copy. I do like this, but still this doesn't fit in my back pocket, but it's been traveled a lot in my bag. So there's definitely different. This is a forward by Garrett J. White from Wake Up Warrior, and this is Robert Kiyosaki's forward in the old one, who's the Rich Dad Poor Dad. So I'm pretty excited to read this and see what's new. These are both forwarded by Dan Kennedy still. So let's see. Oh, he's got more presentation stuff at the end. Perfect webinar shortcut. 5-minute perfect webinar script. So some cool new things in here. And I know the big dominoes, the secrets, the strategies, understanding what the dominoes are, the internal driver, the external driver, and the vehicle are for your webinars, for your sales, etc. What do people want? What's the internal reason they can't do something? So I have to overcome that domino. Okay, I'm not good enough, I'm not smart enough, I couldn't possibly charge, $150 for physical therapy. The external reason, people won't pay $150 for physical therapy, people won't pay more than their copay for physical therapy, etc. The vehicle, vehicle is the thing that's going to get them there. It's not physical therapy, it's the free total body diagnostic that we offer. That's the vehicle. If I get people to understand that the vehicle is what they need and they can only get it from me, then they'll sign up for a free total body diagnostic. So here it is, Traffic Secrets, the underground playbook to filling your website and funnels with your dream customers. So .com Secrets teaches you how to get people off the internet. Expert Secrets teaches you how to make the stories correct and use some of the strategies that you get here. And this is clearly how you get more people to come see your website, your funnels, your Facebook ads. So I'm pretty stoked about this, and I love the color because green's one of my favorite colors. So I'll tell you what some of the topics are real quick in case you're curious. Who's your dream customer? Where are they hiding? The Dream 100. Dana Derricks, I'm sure. More about your attractive character. Filling your funnel with paid ads. Filling your funnel organically. The Dream 100 again, and that's about using affiliate marketing. He does Instagram, Facebook, Google, YouTube, Traffic Secrets, like a separate chapter for each. The Funnel Hub. Other people's distribution channels. Creating your own affiliate army. Cold traffic, and growth hacks. That's all in this book. So if you want to grab this, which I would highly recommend it, click the link below, aaronlebauer.com/traffic, and it'll get you this book for free. It's just $9.95 shipping. Okay, so that's Traffic Secrets, which is pretty dope. And then let's look at Unlock the Secrets, your underground playbook for scaling your company to the 2 Comma Club and beyond, Russell Brunson. Just looking at this is 603 pages, 612 pages of blanks, workbooks, Dream 100 keywords, perfect webinar shortcut scripts. So this is the margins and more, the stacks and closes slides. So some of Russell's closes that he teaches are amazing. The perfect webinar framework. So he goes through all the things. Oh, look at this. Okay, 1 color for each business. Little place markers. This would almost be worth me getting a second one for each business. Unboxing funnels, results-based challenges, video outlines, question headlines. What if you could blank without blank? Are you worried about blank? Isn't it time you stop struggling with blank? So do you see how getting some of these ideas and understanding this is going to help you with your marketing, your physical therapy business? So that's this workbook, which is really dope. That's what you get in the box set. Everything else, the funnelytics, the online trainings, etc., they're all on the computer. I'm not going to show you those. But these are the things I really like. You get to hold them, touch them, read them, spend time with them, write in the margins, and actually having this workbook is pretty darn awesome. So there you go. And you can see Tony Robbins is on here, Dean Graziosi. These guys are big time. If you don't know them, go check them out. So that's the box set. It's well worth it because I know this is going to get me 1 new patient, if not 1 or 2 new customers from one thing that I learned in here. It's worth the investment. I think that this is really awesome. So everyone who owns a physical therapy business, anyone who owns any kind of business should really check this stuff out. If you're curious about, is this going to work for you, just comment below the video. If you have any questions or experience with any of Russell Brunson's books, let me know. I certainly started with 20-something years ago with J. Conrad Levinson's Guerrilla Marketing book. This stuff wasn't around. And as that's transformed and we've gone online and internet, taken a lot of those principles, and Russell takes some of these amazing principles and creates a lot of his own and filters them down into easily understandable concepts that you can utilize to create marketing messages for your patients and for your clients and for your clinic and online training and coaching students and clients to help them understand that your product is the one that they need. That's what's called marketing. Next, what I'm waiting for is a sales book. It might be the next one that comes out is how to sell once you get them all in here. But there is a lot of there's sales scripts in here and the sales scripts in here. So there you go. If you want to grab one of these, click the link below. Be sure you subscribe. Use the notification bell so you get updated on the next videos. And I'll see you on the next show. Go crush it.